How to open a Just Eat Rider account in UK. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open a Just Eat Rider account in UK. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type in the URL couriers.just-eat.co.uk. You can also pause this video to copy the keyword. Once you've entered this URL, now press on enter button to search for it. After that, you will be taken to the official website of Just Eat Courier. Here, now you will need to click on this accept all cookies at the very bottom, and then at the top right, you will be able to locate apply now button. Simply click on this apply now button, or you may also click on the apply now button in the interface below. Once you click on it, you will be presented with the sign-in interface now. Here you will need to now enter your personal details. Enter your first name in the first field, then enter your last name. After that, enter your email address, and here you will need to enter your mobile number. After that, you will need to choose the city or town here. Once after doing that, click on this create account button right here. Once after doing that, you will be presented with this pop-up. Here you will be able to see this agreement. You will need to scroll down, go through all of these and read carefully. After reviewing all of them, click on the checkbox at the very bottom to agree the terms and conditions, and then click on this I agree button right here. After that, now here you will need to create an account to access the Courier portal and Courier app. By default, your email address will already be entered. Now you will need to create a strong password for your account. Click on this password field and there create a password for your account. After creating the password, click on this confirm password field and enter the same password here. Make sure both the password match each other. After that, click on the continue button right here. Once doing that, here you will be able to see this interface. Now here in this Courier portal, here you will need to fill in the form based on your preference. Here, enter the address where you'd like to begin your work, select your city, and then click on the next button right here. Here you will be presented with your delivery zone. Click on the submit selection once selected, and then you will need to follow additional prompts. You will also need to enter your bank account details for payment processing, and then acquire Just Eat branded thermal bags for food delivery. You may also need the approval if you are using your own bags. And after your account is activated, you will receive an email with instructions to download Just Eat Courier app, which is necessary for managing deliveries and tracking earnings. Also make sure before creating an account on it, you meet all the criteria and the requirements, which is you must be at least 18 years old to apply for it. So by following these steps, you should be able to open a Just Eat Rider account in UK. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.